In Mackinac City, it has its tourist attractions just like any other tourist town. Usually you think of fudge, but they have one of the world's largest wieners. I'll show you. It's right over here at Wienerlicious. That thing's got to be 30 feet long. Had to extend the roof of their building just to support it. Hot dog. There's a tree that has the will to live. Or just natural mechanisms that make it want to survive somehow. Okay, I'm sure it doesn't have a will because it doesn't have a mind. Maybe. Sorry. Keep up the good work. Stand up straight. Hang on tight. Think positive thoughts. That tree's going down in the next storm. Don't tell him I said that. Oh. Oh no! No toilet paper! Okay, I learned this in traveling in third world countries. Always carry your own tissues. So, a couple days ago I was in limestone country looking at sinkholes. Well, now near Grayling, Michigan, I'm in lumber country and logging country. Look at this. Somebody was feeling ambitious. Alright, you must be feeling pretty good about yourself having done this yesterday. Okay, I decided I want this one. Can you get it for me?